Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome on board. My name is Alaba. I'm a travel enthusiast and a content creator. Today, I'm going to be giving you tips on how to apply for a UK visa. If this topic sounds interesting to you, please stick around. Welcome back. The first thing I want to talk about is to find out if you need a visa, okay? To do this, kindly visit www.gov.uk, that is www.gov.uk. When the site pops up, on the landing page, you scroll down and click on visas to check if you are eligible to travel to the UK with a visa or without a visa, okay? When you click on this option, it pops up, a drop down pops up for you to input your country of residence or your nationality and your date of birth. After inputting this information, the system automatically generates the answer to determine if you need a visa to travel to the UK or you don't need a visa to travel to the UK. Okay, for Western countries like the US, members of Schengen Union or the Schengen states, Canada, Australia, New Zealand don't need a visa to travel to the UK for up to 90 days. But for African countries, some South American countries, some Asian countries, you need a visa to apply to visit the UK. So, depending on the category you fall, just to find out your eligibility, just go to the website, okay, www.gov.uk to find out if you need a visa to visit the UK. Okay. The next thing I want to talk about is to choose the right UK visa type. Okay. There are lots of visa categories. You have the UK visitors visa, there is the transit visa, student visa, work visa, family visa, and so on. Okay. For people who intend to travel to the UK for just leisure, business, or to go for a short term course for up to 6 months, you can apply for the standard visitor visa. This is valid for 6 months, and within this period, you can do your holiday by visiting friends, you can do your tourism, visit conference, but you cannot work. Another type of visa I want to talk about is the transit visa. Transit visa is for people who intend to travel through the UK to visit another country. As the name implies, transit, you travel through the country and there is transit A and transit B. Transit A is for you to stay. It allows you to remain at the airport, okay, while you wait for your next flight. And for Transit B allows you to enter into the country for a few hours. Maybe you need to do some shopping or whatever. You can do that within this time frame before you continue your journey. Sorry about that. There is also the student visa. The student visa is for students who wish to study in the UK. Okay. There's also the family visa. The family visa is for family unification. For instance, if the spouse or a fiancé, or in this case, lives in the UK and he or she intends to reunite with the other part of his or family. Maybe the husband lives in the UK or the boyfriend lives in the UK, and he or she he intends to bring the wife or the girlfriend or the fiance over. This is the category of visa you apply for. That's the family visa or the fiance visa. And the last but not the least is the work visa. These are for people who intend to immigrate legally to the UK by working. So these are the category of visa I can remember at this point in time. But for more information about this, just click on visas on the website of the UK immigration site, which is www.gov.uk. There, you're going to see a lot of information as to different visa categories and what you need to do. Okay. After checking the type of visa you need, the next thing you need to do is to complete the online application form. You would find the online application form on the website as well. Okay. You need to input your name, your address, your passport number, if you're working, your office address, the contact telephone number, your sex, your proposed travel dates, your proposed date of return, okay? And you also need to upload all necessary documents. That is your proposed itinerary, that's the activities you intend to do when you get to the UK, your employment letter, if you are employed, that's the contract from your employers, your letter of introduction from the company, and proof that you're going to be on leave during this period or this particular point in time. Okay, your 6-month bank statement, your 6-month pay slip, your hotel reservation, and the likes. You need to upload all these documents on the website. After uploading all these documents, you pay and schedule a visa appointment. Okay. After scheduling a visa appointment, you then attend the interview. On the day of the interview, we are going to print out the confirmation slip of your application, and you go there with your passport. These are the two things you need to present. Then when you get to the application center, your biometrics will be taken and they capture your photo. Okay. After this is done, then you can submit your passport and the confirmation page of the application. All right. Then you get an email to that effect that you have submitted your application, and you can track the progress of your application as well online. Okay. And I'll suggest you check your mail from time to time, because they are going to use this mail to correspond with you. If you need an interview in the process, the commission or the embassy will send an email to that effect. And if they are done with the decision on the application, they also reach out to you using your provided email address. Okay, that is the information I intend to give this morning. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button in order to get notifications anytime I upload a new video. So thank you for your time, and see you on the next one. Bye.